Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about si Carl
Alam mo, ma'am,
Anthony Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
the specific ang law, guilt is personal.
Now, what is guilt is personal. This phrase reflects a legal principle which means only the person who committed the crime can be held accountable for it. Responsibility cannot be transferred to others. And of course, Risa doesn't know this since she hasn't studied law like Duterte has.
Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I have
magkakaintindihan
prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
Oh my God!